जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 9th chapter राजविद्या राजगुह्य योगमु 6th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, the mighty wind exists and moves everywhere in the space. Do you see any support to that? No. Is there no support to that wind? Yes. I am the support. That mighty wind depending upon me. I am the support to that mighty wind. Am I visible there? No. I am not visible. So also I am the support to all beings in this entire universe. But they do not know that they are dependent on me, and I am the one who is carrying all beings in this entire universe in an invisible form. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma establishing the fact that every being is dependent on Sri Krishna Paramatma. Realizing the truth, let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yadha akasasthitaha nityam vayuhu sarvatra go mahan tadha sarvani bhutani matsthaniti upadharaya. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 works. Krishna Paramatma says, if you do these 8 works, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now, let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogendra. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma saying to Bhava, that boy Neelalohita, like this, O Surashrestha Neelalohita, yet arodhihi, you are born while crying, that is why your name is Rudra. All the people will be calling you as Rudra. And then you asked me to allot you some places. Now I am allotting you 11 places. Those 11 places are heart, Hrudayam, sensory organs, Indriyas, Pranam, Akasam, Vayu, Agni, Jalam, Bhumi, Surya, Chandra, Tapas. These are the 11 places for you to live. And in these 11 places, you will be living with 11 different names. Those different 11 names are Manyuvu, Manuvu, Mahakala, Mahita, Siva, Rutadhvaja, Ururetasa, Bhava, Kala, Vamadeva, Dhrutavrata. Rudra, in these 11 places with different 11 names, you will be living with 11 girls, and with them you will have to produce children, santanam. Those 11 girls are Dhivrutti, Asana, Ma, Niyat, Sarpika, Ila, Ambika, Airavati, Sudha, Diksha, Rudrani. O Rudra, with these 11 girls you will be producing santanam. You will be producing Praja. That is why you will also become Prajapati. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma giving orders to Neelalohita Rudra. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu. Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 9th chapter 6th sloka. Yadha akasasthito nityam vayuhu sarvatra go mahan tadha sarvani bhutani matsthaniti upadharaya. యథాకాశస్థితో నిత్యం వాయుః సర్వత్ర గో మహాన్ తథా సర్వాణి భూతాని మత్స్థానీతి ఉపధారయ. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.